guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Pradita. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. एक के पीछे एक हफ्ते के पीछे दूसरे हफ्ते immediately आ गया. Well done. Okay, I have made this video before, and before I go into, sorry, I'm just so distracted by my own ugly ponytail. This ponytail has no shape. Look at that. It has no shape. Anyway, before I start, I would like to tell you कि मैंने अभी check किया है factually the correct information. Like I'm not even exaggerating for effect. Factually, the absolute fact is that I am 100% sure that इस वक्त मुंबई में the temperature is at least 927 degrees. Point being पंखा चलेगा. So I don't care. अगर आपको मेरी आवाज के बीच में सुनाई दे रहा है, you will deal with it. You will deal with it क्योंकि पंखा बंद नहीं होगा. Okay, now that passive aggressive argument is over it. Let's hug. Let's continue. ये वाला वीडियो मैंने बहुत, did I say passive aggressive argument is over it? Okay, now that this passive aggressive argument of ours is over, let's begin. मैंने बहुत साल पहले ये वीडियो बनाया था, but in the past year, because of the book tour, in general, all the events that I'm doing for the book, अभी recently जब मैं Comic Con गई थी, with Audible for the audiobook of Too Good to Be True, one of the most common questions is, Prajakta, how do we get to reading? And before I tell you 3 very, very easy ways to develop a habit of reading, I just want to tell you that I continue to be surprised by the number of people who have never read a book, who have never gone to a bookstore, and I swear to God, Comic Con के stage पे मैंने बोला ऐसे Tinkle, Champak, and shh, like silence. I was heartbroken in that moment. मैं उस stage पे खड़ी थी and I could see all these beautiful faces looking at me and they had absolutely no clue. Not all of them, some of them had a clue. Most of them just looked at me because I gave so many book references. Point being कि that's sad and we cannot let that happen. You and I need to fix it. So I'm going to tell you 3 ways to very, very, very easily develop a reading habit. फिर बता रही हूँ, पहले मैं ये बोल चुकी हूँ, so I might be repetitive, but I promise you that these 3 things have genuinely worked for me. So let's go. Number 1 is please stop putting so much pressure on books. And that's not just for you who's trying to read, it's for everybody who also reads. As readers, we sometimes tend to get very, very snobby कि तूने वो बुक नहीं पढ़ी है, तुमको ये बुक नहीं पता है. I just feel like it's so unnecessary, honestly. Anytime anyone reads a book, it's between the book and them. और किसी का opinion technically I don't think मेरे हिसाब से मैटर करता है. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि सबसे पहले if you want to become a reader, stop putting so much pressure on books. Like अपनी तरफ से प्रेशर डालना बंद करो कि नहीं ये बुक तो मुझे पढ़नी ही है. कहीं और से प्रेशर आने से रोक दो कि नहीं नहीं मेरे क्लासमेट्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरी टीचर, मेरा ये. I mean this is not for academic books, okay? Like I read like about dragons and things. So I'm just talking about in general reading. Academic तुम अपना अपना करो, बट आई एम सेइंग फॉर लेजर, फॉर प्लेजर जो रीडिंग होती है, किसी और को भी तुम पे ये प्रेशर मत डालने दो कि तुमने ये बुक नहीं पढ़ी है, तुमने वो बुक नहीं पढ़ी, तुमको ये बुक पसंद आई, तुमको वो बुक पसंद नहीं है. किसी और का मैटर नहीं करता है ओपिनियन. तुमको जो पसंद है वो तुम पढ़ो, और अगर तुमने कुछ उठाया और तुमको पसंद नहीं आया, प्लीज रख दो. आई डोंट थिंक बुक्स डिजर्व दैट मच प्रेशर फ्रॉम आवर साइड कि नहीं ये 650 की तो आज खत्म करके. कोई जरूरत नहीं है भाई. इट इज अ वेरी पर्सनल एक्सरसाइज टू इन्वेस्ट टाइम, एनर्जी, मनी इनटू टेक्स्ट, into literature, into art, any form of art. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है it has to speak to you. कोई नहीं बैठा है आपको जज करने के लिए कि अच्छा खत्म नहीं हो रही तुमने बुक, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम अपने लिए उठाओ बुक. If it doesn't work for you, put it down, move on to the next one. How does this inculcate a habit of reading? You're asking if I'm telling you to put a book down. It's because the minute you take pressure away from a book ना, you enjoy the point of it. You enjoy the whole exercise of reading. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको fiction में मजे नहीं आ रहे हैं, go for like long form novels में मजे नहीं आ रहे, go for short stories. अगर आपको short stories में मजे नहीं आ रहे, go for comics. अगर आपको comics में मजे नहीं आ रहे, go for graphic novels. Like there are so many of these different avenues that you can tap into when you want to just look at a book. Even if it's a picture book that comes with one line written, if that's what gets you hooked to liking the idea of reading, do that. There is absolutely no pressure that you need to add on any books, no matter what anyone says. Like for example, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ मेरी book उठाई आपने, आपको पसंद नहीं है, please रखो, move on, pick some other book up. That's totally fine. But you must enjoy, you should enjoy the whole exercise. So don't let anyone put that pressure on you. Wow, pressure, 5 minute बस pressure करने बात किया. Number 2 is start very, very small. I think that one of the things that is daunting about this whole habit of reading is that it seems like a huge commitment. कि आप अगर 100 पेज की भी बुक, इतनी होती है वैसे 100 पेज की बुक, 100 पेज की बुक भी अगर आप उठाओ ना तो आपको लगता है 100 pages I have to read. That is a daunting task. I get it. So I suggest कि अगर आपको reading की आदत डालनी है, स्टार्ट वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. गिव योर सेल्फ 5 minutes a day. गिव योर सेल्फ 2 minutes a day. 2 मिनट का टाइमर लगा दो, एक पेज पढ़ लो, और गिव योर सेल्फ लाइक अ नंबर ऑफ पेजेस कि आज मैं इस बुक का एक पेज पढ़ूंगी. एंड दैट्स टोटली फाइन. कोई टाइमर नहीं चल रहा है, कोई आपको बैठ के टाइम नहीं कर रहा है कि मैंने तो ये बुक 15 दिन में खत्म करी थी, इसकी 9 महीने से चल रही. कोई बात नहीं. आई हैव टेन्स ऑफ बुक्स इन माई Kindle. जैसे there's this book called Drive Me Crazy, 76% never finished. The minute it stopped working for me, I moved on. There's this book called Freestyle. Started it, didn't work for me, moved on. 3% पढ़ी है मैंने वो book. House of Jaipur मैं पढ़ रही थी, 24% मैंने पढ़ी, moved on. I'm not saying कि these books are out of my mind. I'm just saying कि I will come back to them when I feel like it. And if I feel like I really want to read this, I'll give myself 1 page a day so that it's not that daunting a task. And then एक accomplishment का ना feeling भी आ जाता है कि ओ मैंने कर लिया, मैंने वो एक पेज पढ़ लिया, चल आज 1 का 2 पढ़ लेती हूँ, 2 का 4 पढ़ लेती हूँ. ऐसे ही करते करते कब आप 1 हफ्ते में पूरी बुक खत्म कर दोगे आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. Number 3, this really works for me, okay? Make it an exercise with your friends. Make it an activity. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप सारे एक साथ बैठ के पढ़ो, but I'm saying try finding people who read similar things like you. Like for example, I know there's a friend of mine, Neerja. There's another friend of mine, Priyanka. We all read similar books. So every time I feel like I'm falling back in a book that we're all reading, and Neerja tells me, bro, मैं यहाँ पहुंची हूँ, I know I'll pick it up because I want to chill with her and talk to her about it. Same thing with Priyanka, where Priyanka will actually read a book and if she likes it, she'll send it to me and I'll do the same. She's a lot better at that than me. But हम बैठ के इसको discuss करते हैं. This becomes an exercise. This becomes a whole evening that we spend in just talking about fictional men who are very, very hot. And that is very, very, it's good. It brings you a lot of happiness. So I'm saying make it a group activity. Suggest club the whole reading, which is a very, very solitary experience, with a bonding thing with people that you like and who read similar things. या फिर if you don't know in your immediate circle who read similar things, then you can always go and join book clubs. उसके बारे में भी I will tell you about soon. You can go online and you can start following जो book आपने पढ़ा है उसके pages को follow करो, उसके fan pages को follow करो. I'm sure you'll meet people. Go through the comments here. I also feel like it is a very fun group exercise talking about fictional things. I think it's amazing. ये 3 चीजें मेरे लिए काफी काम करी हैं. जितनी भी बारी I find myself lacking or I find myself not able to pick up a book, I will do one of these 3 things. I'll either change the book or I'll start small or I'll just talk to my friends who like read similar books and understand what they like and don't like and what's new and hip, and then I'll see if I want to pick that up. 9 out of 10 times that works क्योंकि कोई नया टाइटल आता है जो organically मेरे Kindle feed पे नहीं आया होगा but उनके पास आया है, they've sent it to me, I've read it, I've actually liked it, and then it starts. Usually the books that are very, very special for me are the ones that get me out of my reading lull. Like if I'm going through a slump जहाँ पे कोई भी book नहीं टिक रहा है मेरे हाथ में, एक वो book कोई होगा जो will help me pick it up. Like I'm on book 2 of the Empyrean series by Rebecca Yarros. The first one is called Fourth Wing, the second one is called Iron Flame, the third one is called Onyx Storm. Iron Flame 650 pages की book है. इससे पहले I couldn't finish any book. मैं हर book शुरू करती थी रख देती, शुरू करती थी रख देती. That book got me out of my reading slump. So I'm very, very grateful for that book to come because now I can't stop reading. I just think that you should read because if you're not, you're missing out on a major life experience. I genuinely think that. अगर आप पढ़ नहीं रहे हो, आप एक बहुत important life experience पे miss out कर रहे हो जिसमें किसी और का ना कोई फायदा है ना कोई नुकसान है, बस आप ही गए. It's so solitary, it is so personal, it is such a boon to your relationship with yourself. So I urge you to please pick it up. Pick anything up. Pick a tiny book, pick a fat book, pick short stories, pick comics, pick graphic novels, pick audiobooks if you need. But you cannot be living a life where you don't read. I'm sorry, I don't know how else. मैं मन कर रहा है कि स्क्रीन से बाहर निकल के तुम्हारा चेहरा पकड़ के तुमको बोलूं कि पढ़, तो ये समझ लेना मैंने कर दिया. I genuinely think that if you don't read, then you're living your life a little less funner. I genuinely think that. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I will see you again next week with another Real Talk video. अगर आपका कोई suggestion हो या कोई सवाल हो about a Real Talk topic, put in the comment section below and I'll see you next week. Until we meet, love. Oh, also you can read my book. You can read my book. You can there's a link in the description. You can buy it there and let me know what you think about it. Okay, bye.